Probably my best beer of 2025 was this New Zealand Pilsner. It had a gorgeous malt backbone that came together with some juicy, fruity New Zealand hops to create a symphony of beery excellence. Well, in this video, I'm going to try to create a non-alcoholic version of that beer. Stay with me. Now, because we're using the party guile method to make this brew today, we've already done our first runnings, which will become our hazy New England IPA. So now we're going to transfer those into the boil kettle. Now we're going to transfer our strike water from the hot liquor tank into the mash tun, and that will create the base for our non-alcoholic New Zealand Pilsner. If you're not using the party guile method but are using a single infusion mash, I'd recommend adding about 1.5 kilos of floor malted Pilsner malt at this stage to 80 degrees of strike water. So there she is, brewers. Beautiful, yellow, almost honey-coloured beer. And it's quite hazy, you'll notice. I mentioned that in these non-alcoholic brews, the hops do add a fair bit of haze to the beer. Even though this one wasn't high temperature mashed, it was used as part of a party guile, we still get that haze in the finished beer. So let's dive in and have a sniff, see what we're working with. Yeah, so straight away I get that lime, tropical New Zealand stone fruit hop character. Yeah, it's really quite strong. So we've nailed the aroma part of this beer, so I'm happy with that. Let's dive in for a taste. So lime and stone fruit hops. The body's pretty good. It sits there and it supports those lime and stone fruit hop flavors, and they're quite strong. I'm quite impressed with it. How this differs from the full alcohol version of this beer is it doesn't have that sweet malt backbone, and so that's what you're sacrificing. In the full version, the hops really bounce off that backbone. It does add something to the beer. In this version, it's a different character. And that's part of non-alcoholic brewing. We can't expect to replicate that full alcohol version, but maybe in the future we'll see. But if you're looking for a hop fix without the alcohol guilt, something you can drink and not worry about driving, this may be the beer for you. It's certainly nailed it, I reckon. And if you enjoy New Zealand Pilsners, why not check out this video above which inspired this recipe.